I tinted this truck 2 years ago and I did a shit job. So today I'm gonna try to re-tint it. And even though it's the middle of November, it's still hot as fuck.
Why would it be that hot at night anyway? Is that hell, nigga?
So I got the ceramic tint to make sure the truck is not hot and I don't be sweating my nuts off in there. I got the cheapest shit I could find that was ceramic. This shit was so cheap, it might be ass. I'm gonna go 35 on the windshield and I'm gonna go 5% on the rest of the truck. This shit's a fucking fishbowl. You can see everything in here. I look like a dumbass pulling out of school. Everybody looks at me. Oh, fuck. Oh shit, hella glue and stuff. This is the old tint. I'm pretty sure this is like 15%. So we're going a lot darker today. But yeah, this window did not go down because the tint was messing it up. So this is a great investment for this window. But I need to find a way to remove these rubber shits. Cause I'm ass at fucking tinting, so I'm gonna have to get rid of this if I wanna make that shit actually doable. Now I gotta remove these inside ones. Ah, fuck. What is that, bro? Oh shit, I almost forgot. Safety first. The key to not fucking up and ripping it like I have in the past is to lift it up gently. So that's what we're gonna do. So now, all that we got left is this one right here. The driver's side window. Fuck. Successfully got all the tint off. Now it's a full fishbowl. All the tint's right here. Next step, we gotta prep the windows by washing them. Now the best way to do this is to have a spray bottle with some soap inside. You're gonna spray the window and hit it with the fucking blade from the inside though. Don't do this, not from the outside. Alright, now we cleaned that shit up. We need to clean it with the towel. Alright, this shit finally looking pretty clean. It's just dirty on the outside. Now, I have to get this rubber part off. God damn, fuck this shit, bro. To take off this fucking rubber shit, we gotta take off the mirror. Hello. We gotta pop that shit out. It's coming off now. Like that, yes sir. Now I gotta do the other side. Turns out I wasn't fucking recording, so I missed like a bunch of shit. But we're ready to put on the tint. I need to fucking cut out my tint. I forgot to do that shit. For the windows, we're using 5% ceramic. This shit about to be so dark, bro. I could fuck bitches in broad daylight. Nobody will know. We got our piece cut out. Now we just gotta, or not cut out, but we got the basic shape of it cut out. Perfectly fucking cut. Now we're just gonna cut it to the size of the window. Let me get my squeegee. Mother. Just need to squeegee out a little bit. Like, what the fuck? What is that, dude? Alright, so this motherfucker recommends using a Sharpie to cut your shit so you don't mess up. I don't have a Sharpie, so we're gonna have to raw dog it. Alright, it's not looking bad so far. I'm gonna go down. That was the easy part. We just gotta cut it. Alright, about to start cutting. Sir, look at this shit. Look how good of a cut that is. Ignore this part. Oh shit, what happened? I've never seen a smoother cut in my life. Now we gotta cut the hard part. But for me, it's easy.
I like you, man. You lie a lot.
Bro, how am I supposed to cut the sides? This shit can't move me. I think I'm about to do the Sharpie method.
And mark that all the way down on both sides.
Basically, I'm gonna need a Sharpie, bro. I gotta go find one. I found this red marker and these scissors. I'm gonna try to do it with this. I don't know if it's gonna work. It looks, look at this shit. That shit looks fucking black. It barely, that shit blends in like a fucking chameleon, dog. I got 2 lines. New marker. I'm gonna see if this one works. It's the same shit, bro. It's not gonna work. I don't know if you can see on camera, but there's a line in there now. And I need to cut on that line so precisely. Bro, this just can't cut shit. That shit kind of worked. Okay. Hey, that's not bad. Now this is where it gets difficult. I gotta put this shit on. A lot of stress on this shit. Hella fucking stress. It's too late. It's fucked. Shit! I don't want to jinx myself, but this shit looking pretty good, bro. No bubbles. So that's one window down. We got like 5 more to go. Only took me like an hour and a half. Now that I completed the driver's side window, I'm not really gonna bore you with the other window because I already did it. It came out good. Didn't come out as good as that one though, but hey, that should look pretty good. Oh, fuck. Shit's super clean. Finally done. It came out not the greatest, but it still works, bro. It's not that important. Anyways, now we gotta move on to the hardest part, the windshield. The windshield, we're gonna go 35% so the cops can't see me.
Got him. We fucking got him.
This is gonna be a fucking pain in the ass. Alright, now we're ready to put on the windshield finally. If I fuck it up, I'm fuck it up and I gotta buy more tint. So hopefully I don't fuck it up. So I got the windshield on there, but the problem is, the way windshields work, it curves. It's kind of struggling to get on, so I need to look this up. I need to find out how to do this.
And just smooth it out, get it ready for shrinking. I did include the entire...
Fuck, you need a heat gun for this shit. I don't have a heat gun though. In times like this, it's important to improvise. So utilizing the air fryer method, we're able to let this heat up, open this quickly, and let the hot air shrink the windshield. This shit not gonna work, bro. I'm not gonna lie, the air fryer did its thing. Check it out. It sat almost at all places, like down here, it sat pretty good. Up here, it's sitting pretty good. Only issue is these fucking corners and this side right here. I just cannot get it to lay down, bro. Like, alright, so I mean there's definitely some areas that are gonna need the heat gun. But besides that, it's not too bad. Alright, so it's a couple days later after I put the tint. You can see that I did a fucking shit job. Like, look at that. And that's all over places. But on the actual ones on the side, we did amazing, bro. There's no bubbles nowhere. The back, also super shitty, bro. I honestly think the back is worse than the front, to be honest. But hey, the lesson I learned today is let the professionals do this shit, bro. They're professionals for a reason. But I mean, if you guys want to be stingy like me, I guess you could do yourself for $100.